Hello students, welcome to Punjabi class. Today we will learn how to write ERA. Before starting the class, let's recall what you have done earlier. As you know, we are having two books for the Punjabi subject in class first. The first one is Akhar Gyan book and the other one is Akhar Sulekh book. In your previous class, you have read page number 2 of Akhar Gyan book. There you learned ERA, and your today's work is to do page number 9 of Akhar Sulekh book. Take out your Akhar Sulekh book and open page number 9. On page 9, you have to write ERA. Look at the page very carefully. You will find the page is divided into columns, and each column there are 5 lines of different colors. The first and the last line is of red color and the middle 3 lines of blue color. In these lines, blue color lines, we have to write ERA. We'll talk about it later. So for it, I'll teach you how to write ERA. For writing ERA, you must know the concept of lines. This is sleeping line and this is standing line. Now I'll tell you how to draw ERA. For that I have drawn 5 lines and I'll use these 3 lines to write ERA like this. ERA should not touch first line and the last line. I have to write ERA in between these 2 lines. Now I'll teach you how to write ERA. First step is to draw sleeping line, a small sleeping line, then draw a standing line. This standing line should cut the third line. This is first line, this is second, this is third. It should cut it, it should intersect it, but it should not touch the fourth line. I'll stop drawing line there only. Now draw a curve over there. Make sure it should not touch the second line. I'll stop making curve here. Now draw a standing line over there. This standing line should touch the fourth line. Now again I'll make a curve and I'll stop here. Now I'll draw a standing line starting from the second line and it should touch the edge of the line I have drawn. That means I have drawn this line now, so it should touch the edge of this line and then it should touch the fourth line. Now draw a small sleeping line over here. So this is the way to make ERA. Now look at these 2 pages. Firstly, we'll talk about this page. This is a page similar to the pages given in Akhar Sulekh book. As I have told you, the page is divided into columns and each column you will find lines are there. There are 5 lines of different colors. First 2 lines of red color and the middle 3 lines of blue color. Now we have to write ERA here. Look at here. I have drawn same pattern with more gaps for clarity purpose. and I have written ERA over there. Similarly, you have to write ERA on your book page number 9. Now I'll tell you how to write ERA here. So for that I'll use red pen, but you have to use pencil. Look at here, there's a small dot. Now you have to start drawing ERA from there. Draw a sleeping line, then a standing line, then make a curve, then again a standing line and a curve and a big standing line that should start from this line and that should stop at the 4th line, and then a small sleeping line. We'll write again. It should not touch this line. This line should touch this line. Now the standing line should touch this line at the edge. Now look at this page. For practicing ERA on copy, you have to take square line copy and you have to write ERA in the box. You can use boxes to write ERA. Look at here. I have drawn same pattern with bigger boxes for clarity purpose, and I have written ERA in the boxes. Now you know the steps how to write ERA in the box. Write down ERA. For that, draw a sleeping line, then a standing line. This line should not touch this line. Make a curve over here. Now it should not touch the upper line. Now draw a standing line that should touch this line. Then again make a curve and stop here. And draw a standing line that should start from here and that should stop there. And then a sleeping line. Now revise the steps. And you have to write ERA on page number 9 of Akhar Sulekh book. Only 3 lines are left. You have to complete these 3 lines. And you have to practice ERA on square line copy. Thanks for watching the video.